Dive into the ultimate adventure machine, the cool Outroad GR86 by Japanese tuner Cool Racing. This lifted Toyota GR86 takes the iconic sports coupe and transforms it into a rugged off-road monster. Inspired by the Porsche 911 Dakar, but at a fraction of the price. The base Outroad package focuses on suspension and body upgrades. A custom coilover setup lifts the GR86 by 3 inches, while an optional hydraulic lifter adds another 1.5 inches of clearance. Exterior changes include redesigned front and rear bumpers, side steps, a rear under spoiler, and 25mm wide fender extensions that give the coupe a rugged rally-inspired stance. All-terrain tires on lightweight 18-inch wheels, Mad Max vibes with the ducktail spoiler and rear louvers. Optional bolt-on turbo kit boosting power to approximately 280 to 300 horsepower.